Welcome. If you want to change theme in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9, for the first you have to go for the settings, tap on the search bar and type here theme. Let's pick up this first option, and in the search bar you have to type free. It's only an example, so I don't want to pay for any of these themes. And I think that we can set up maybe this one. So just click here. Right now it is downloading, so we have to wait. And just click on the apply. And right now we can check our new theme. And as you can see, that's how our theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.